Alright, so here's where we're at. As my loving wife would like me to do, is to give you guys a video rundown of where we're at. Currently, we've basically got all the trim pulled down, some of the base trim pulled, heater hoses pulled, and been dropping down air conditioners. As you can tell, we got the ACs laid out and been removing the blowers because one particular individual seems to think they would be great for their greenhouse.
Air movers.
Air movers, which it seems like a good idea. They are copus blowers, so they do move a tremendous amount of air. But as you can tell, it's been a bit of a busy morning. We took the hangers down that were holding up these air conditioners and salvaged them.
Yeah, look.
I see them coming in handy later.
This one sucks air in. These two blow air out.
And these are...
Move air around the hothouse.
Yeah.
In the greenhouse.
See how that would work pretty good. That's pretty much where we're at so far. Continuing to work through this. We're going to try and get this set up to where all the major stuff is done before we hit the road again. So stand by. Maybe we'll get another update.
Alright, getting ready to do the driver's side. This is our big challenge. Tell them what it is.
We got to drop the compressors rather, for the air conditioning system.
For the
Aftermarketed it to the point they drilled it all the way through everything. So now all of these got to come to the ground, so we just have to disconnect the lines and allow them to.
Hey Dad, I'm smaller. Should I get under there?
He's talking.
Okay.
And then trying to come up with a creative and safe way to lower these, because you know they're going to be heavy. So.
Small jack. Maybe.
A little jack.
Yeah. It won't take much of a jack. I just need the high lift one. We'll roll it
Are
up.
you? What do you mean? Are you sure about that, Dad?
I don't exactly want to bench press them.
We can make Gunner do it.
Okay.
I got one nut holding it. So all I need you to do is climb underneath here and help me get that one bolt undone, and then I'll bench press this thing down.
What are you doing?
Lowering down the outside AC unit
For what?
so we have a place for a cargo bin.
Is that going to affect the air conditioner on the front?
Yeah, this thing no longer has air conditioning. I just removed it.
Except for
When
what we
did the
install
main
later.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to show me what you did?
Sure.
Ouch.
So basically, disconnected these lines from the canister.
Uh-huh.
And then it had 4 bolts, 2 on each end. Once those bolts are removed, she's ready to come
There?
down. Yep.
Okay. And you want me to remove the other one? Ouch. Here.
What?
What's that? What's that?
That is the air canister that applies the brakes.
Oh. Why is it unplugged?
Because those caps come off all the time.
So the cap doesn't actually do anything?
Yeah, you really don't want to get dirt in there. So, hi. Anyway, so now we're removing the 4 bolts from the next section. And
Because we had 2 of these monsters.
Yeah.
This one's aftermarket.
Oh, this one is held together with that 16. You'll be finding on yours. Aftermarket sucks.
Owie, give me the glasses.
Really? They used a freaking Teflon lock nut on this?
Preliminary walkthrough. Master bed. Pocket door. Bathroom area. Shower. Toilet. Corner sink. Door with wall, obviously. bunk with cabinet and drawers underneath it here. Exact same size on this side, but 3 bunks high. And then from there, be kitchen and then living. So we have a lot still to do, but we wanted to figure out where the bathroom is going. So just the other side of the rear axle, corner sink elevated in this corner to accommodate for wheel well, shower, toilet will be all of right there. That's the end of it. And then all of this for a large hutch cabinet right there. And again, pocket door up to a closet and master bed. And then a little utility cabinet that will have exterior access. Yeah, sounds good to me. All right, all the wood out, rubber, flashing, whatever you want to call it, all over the floor stuff, except for around the cabinet, but everything else is gone. All right, so Kyle and his mom got called back to work, and my buddy Caleb, that was in the seat removal video with me, is not available. Today's the last day of school for the kids, so I don't even have them for help, just me today. So here we go. All right, Kyle removed the AC that was back here. These are the hoses. He showed me that the easy way to get them split so that we can pull them out. I've actually got a couple of them already pushed down, but we used some loppers to cut them to make it easier to get them out. So I've got to do that over here, and the other one you can't see, a piece of metal from the ceiling that he had taken down just to see how difficult it was going to be. So I'll have to move it out of the way but you can kind of see them maybe. But that's what you're gonna see me doing for the first part of today. Alright, so got all the AC lines cut, cleaned up the mess that Kyle left because he doesn't know how to sweep up his screws. It is raining and nasty and muggy, and a lot of what I need to do right now involves me going under the bus, and I'm not doing that in the rain because we live in the country. So no thanks. Right now I'm waiting on some more deliveries. We've gotten some things, but they called me yesterday and said, hey, be there, and I said, okay. So that's the majority of my day is going to be waiting, which sucks. I always hate the hurry up and wait situation, but that's where we're at right now. So, ta-da! This is taking more than one day, so changed clothes. Got the kids here to help this time. Put it down. We are going to be doing the heater hoses. So I got them clamped. I would show you them me clamping them, but that was kind of a beast. And now I've got them clamped, so mess should be minimal. Have a towel just in case. And
We getting messy.
these hoses into a barrel that we have so that we're not making a super huge mess. Baby, please don't pull those right now. And I would record the process, but it's gonna be difficult, so I'll show you the finished product.